Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lilian. If you want to learn how to make this gown, please watch this video. First, I've already drafted my body measurement on the pattern paper, my chest, my shoulder line, my chest line, my bust line, my under bust, my waistline, my hip line, and also the length of the gown. And then from the length of the gown, I came up by 4 inches. You can see where the dart stopped. You can see that is where I came up to from the gown length to this point. And then for my darts, that is from my bust line down to that point I came up to. You can see what I'm trying to show you here. So the next thing right now, yes, the next thing right now is to cut off my shoulder line and then cut out my dart this way. I'll also do the same by the side because we're trying to remove the dart from the main gown. Okay, this way you can see me cutting off. You can see where I. So the next thing right now to do is to open this our darts. Okay, after cutting our dart open, I placed it in another pattern paper. From that part near another pattern paper, I marked out 3 inches for my gathers, and then I placed one dart there, then use my pin to hold it down, and then from that center center of the dart where I hold my pin to, I marked out. You can see me measuring it. I measured 4 inches in between the dart. You can see. Okay, and then find the midpoint, made a point there, then I wrote a line. You can see what I'm trying to do. Okay, and from the other side of the dart I also added 3 inches for my gathers, and then I trace the area that I'm going to cut off this way. I repeated the same thing by this side. So the next thing right now is to cut it off. Remember the 3 inches we added for our gathers still there. You can just watch what I'm doing. You can see it. Added it this side and also the other side, the center and the side. So see our main gown. You can see this is our main gown. So I'm trying to place it. I'm trying to use my pin to hold it down now to show you how it will look. And on that down part I made a gather. If you see, you can see what I'm doing. I gathered the area because it was gathered. I repeated the same thing by the side this way. You can see it. You can see the dots. So the next thing right now, remember I did not add my side dots. So I came down from my bust line by 1.5 inch. Then I made a line there, made a point there, then connect it to my bust line this way. You can see the next thing right now is for me to cut it open and then close it. You can see me cutting it open, then close it. like this. You can see the material is two, okay, one for the dart and one for the main gown. And make sure you fold your material into two before cutting it, okay. Remember to add your allowances. Thank you for watching. Bye.